In today's video, we are going to show you how to create your Quotex affiliate link so you can start earning commissions, and we are using the official affiliate portal at quotexpartner.com. Now, all you have to do is super simple. Click the Try Now button. This will forward you to the sign up page wherein you just have to enter your email, password, and of course you need to agree to the terms and conditions and then submit the form. If you already have an account here in Quotex, you might want to click the sign in button, and this will forward you to the Quotex affiliate dashboard. This will show your performance, clicks, and registration plus your commission. Now, for you to be able to create a unique affiliate link, I want you to hover to the sub-affiliate section right here, because this is where you can find your unique affiliate referral link. I want you to copy your unique link here. So now you can share this link on YouTube descriptions, Instagram and TikTok, blogs or websites, or maybe email newsletters. Every time someone sign up through your link, you will earn commissions up to 80% revenue share depending on the activity. But to create a new Quotex affiliate link, I want you to hover down to the links section right here, because you have the option to create a new referral link. All right. So for example, you can choose the link type. Is it going to be like a register link, Android link, quick enter to the platform? Of course, we're going to choose the register link. And is it going to be like a revenue sharing, turnover? It's up to you. Now for the comment, you can put in something like this and click the save button. All right. So you have now multiple links right here that you can share. You see this? Copy that link. And again, similar to the option earlier, share it to social media platforms, to your friends, your colleagues. And basically that's how you create a Quotex affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.